The coolest part of my job, I think, is working with all of our employees, seeing the passion that they have and getting together the right team that wants to work together. That's what drives me every day, is seeing their successes and building those up. And when I step back and look at what we're able to accomplish, we just have such a killer team that can deliver these projects. And so seeing them deliver these machines and equipment and the impact that it has on their customers and their companies, that's the best part of my job.
My name is John Falcha, and I've been working here for 32 years. Every day I try to show somebody that's working under me what I've done in the past. I've been trying to pass on my knowledge to the newer employees and the younger kids that are coming in. You know, with my experience that I've had just in this company, I want to say I've almost seen it all. Jessica and Guyler have come a long way in the last 15 years with different customers and products. And I tell some of my friends and people, whether in conversation, this little town of Clarkdale, and we're doing this type of stuff, and they're amazed. Every day is something different. Some of the employees will look at a machine when it's done, and they can actually find the part that they made out there. To see a finished product go out the door is very satisfying.
My name is Brighton Dilbeck, and I'm a manual machinist and a general support staff. I've been working here for about 2.5 years. I came from the automotive industry, and I've never machined before until I came here. I've learned a ton from some of the people here. My favorite part of working here is the ability to be creative and innovative and have a small part in doing something good for the world.
What gets me excited about the future of Bent River Machine is just our extreme growth. And that, to me, is supporting our community even more. We're going to need to hire additional people and in so many ways grow. And I think the future is huge for being able to support additional families in our community, value-add jobs in a small town. All of those things are highly important to Guyler and I in making sure that Bent River continues on and is a valid and valuable member of our community.